started like this prototype. This is traditional 3D printing. I changed the filaments. It got worse. I knew it wasn't gonna work with this printer, but then again, I tried it anyway. Just gonna cut the top off, glue it. Too much work. I finessed it and did it with the regular filament 3D printer. I think it came out decent, but I would not pay money for this. I got OCD. Could be better. Finally got a resin printer. Resin printed the basket and painted it and sprayed it. Let me zoom in so you can see all my imperfections. It's not perfect, but it's motherfucking beautiful. If I do say so myself. Clear these out the way. It took about 6 hours to print. These pieces, the netting, printed individually. I had an example, different prototypes. So this is printed flat, then it gets rolled, put inside. This is something that was thicker. Didn't need to be that thick, so I made it thinner. But yeah, passion project. I learned a lot. We are now offering resin 3D printing. Side quest. This thing right here came out beautiful. This motherfucker is solid. The only thing is the nose I'm not happy with. Some layer shifting. Put a little sand in. Get it right out. Bro, you could see the fucking hole, excuse the language, for the hoodie, for the string. The Nike logo. Creases under the Nike logo even down here. Nikes. I did not design this, so don't sue me. But yeah. We are 3D printing. I am 3D printing. Hit me up, anything you need.